what does liberation in Buddhism mean? What does liberation from samsara mean? Are there levels to it? How would our existence look different if we were liberated from samsara? Every being can be categorized in these two states of mind, maybe you can say, experience, two different levels of experience. One is samsara and one is nirvana, or one is samsara and one is liberated from samsara, enlightenment. Now, samsara, the state of samsara is when we are under the, we are deluded. We don't see things as they really are. We don't see ourselves as we really are. We do things, we have lots of selfishness, self-centeredness, lots of me, and therefore a very dualistic way of saying things. This is me and this is all others. Therefore, we always experience whatever we experience, whether it's things that we see or, outside there or myself, we always react with, aversion and attachment. There's something nice, I need it, I want it, I have to get it. Something not nice, I don't want it, I have to get rid of it, I have to run away from this. And so therefore we are always busy running after, running away, and keep on. Even if we don't have something, but because we have aversion to it, then we have fear of it, and then that makes us, aversion, anxiety, worries, all kind of things. And so therefore, that is the samsaric state of mind. As long as we have this samsaric state of mind, we have suffering, we have pain, we have problem. We are not totally free. So therefore, the Buddha's idea is, Buddha's teaching is that it is not necessary that we have to react in this way all the time. We can actually change this way of reaction, this way of saying things, this way of experiencing things, Because if we're able to see things clearly, and if we're able to really know what I am, what everything is, how things are, we don't have to react with aversion, with attachment, and therefore we don't have to have too much fear or worries and anxiety, and we can be totally free. And that is what we call liberation. Liberation from samsara means we are free from our neurosis, negative emotions, our delusions, our ignorance, and therefore we don't have to act or react with only attachment and aversion and jealousy and ego kind of pride or looking down on people or something like that. We can be totally clear, compassionate, kind, loving. We can be completely loving without clinging, without too much attachment. And our mind can be totally, see things very clearly and broad-minded, so that we don't have to, react in the way, this is mine, this is others, all this kind of. And so this is called liberation from samsara. Of course, there are different levels. You can you can have very many different levels of this. Just saying clearly, more clearly, or more, you can be free from your negative emotions. Then you can have, slowly, step by step, strong and stronger, clearer, all your habitual tendencies, even if you have no negative emotions, you have lots of habitual tendencies. So these habitual tendencies can become less and less, and then, until you become completely, fully enlightened. That's Buddha. So that's kind of the idea. So therefore, we start with step by step. Thank you.